요즘은
We recently spent a few weeks in Japan, and Kyoto was one of the places that stayed with me the most. Kyoto feels traditional, but not heavy. You can walk, see temples and shrines, and just enjoy the atmosphere at your own pace. While we were there, we had sukiyaki, simple, warm, and shared at the table. It reminded me why I wanted to share this at home. In the US, it's not always easy to find thinly sliced beef like in Japan, and we don't eat heavy meals every day. So I make sukiyaki with simple ingredients. Using chicken makes it lighter, easier for everyday meals, and something the whole family can enjoy. Let's start by making a simple kombu dashi. Heat it very gently. Boiling brings bitterness. We gently extract the kombu dashi at 140-160 degrees for about 15 minutes, keeping the heat on very low. Now let's make warishita, the sweet soy base that defines sukiyaki.
Oh. Oh, this last だけど風も何もない Just
Oh.
出します。
It looks like snow.
だってお兄ちゃんと
上手。
I just have to be careful.
からね。せーの。
アンチに話しかけたっていうことはやってて I don't know any. これこんな見てこんななんかみんなアルコールなんか
In Japan, sukiyaki is traditionally eaten with raw egg, but it's not easy to find eggs that are safe to eat raw here. So instead, we make onsen eggs, place the eggs in boiling water, turn off the heat, and let them sit for 15 to 20 minutes.
You can have a picture.
美味しそう。ソーセージ食べるよな。あちちち。
Is that hot? Blow on it.
美味しいかな。やっぱスープもちょっといる？
うん。
乾杯。あり乾杯。
だって朝。
うん。
Why don't you take some?
I just said thank you.
Yeah.
かわいい
I'm
子
trying.
が。
Someone-
忙しいな。
Do you like it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey.
キ
Yeah, I love it. これなんか it has a very like 美味しい？
できてんのか。
No, he was shy.
At first I was but
うん。
うん？こんな何？
見えへん見えへん。
うん。
なあ見てこんな。こんな見てこんな。